Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So now we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing. I was offered a few collectibles recently, and this is one of it. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing and show you what it is. I know it's something interesting, so we'll see what this one is. Right, I'll just store it up. Here we go. So yep. Right, here we go. Two small coins. Right, it's a very small one, eh? So, oh, wait. This one, this one. Here you go. All right, there we go. Two small coins. So we go with this one first. It's a very small one. So this is a 5 cent from Netherlands, and it is from the year 1855. Such a very small coin, and it is composed of silver. And this one is from the reign of King William the Third. So a very small coin. It's silver coin. And then this other one is also Netherlands from 1848, and it's 25 cent. Also a silver coin. And this one is from the reign of King William the Second. So here you go. Just a quick unboxing. I'll picture these coins at some point. So just for you to see this. King William the Second and King William the Third, uh, two coins, silver coins. So thank you. I hope you all have a good day.